Alright, so let's utilize the circle command that we have in AutoCAD. So by default there are a few different commands inside circle itself. So we have center radius, center diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tan radius, and tangent, tangent, tangent. So these are the 6 different types of circle commands that we have in AutoCAD. So let's see what the first command is. So we have to simply specify the first point as the center and the second point as the radius. So let's use it. First point as the center. So let's say I want it over here, and then second point is basically the radius. So let's give it a 2 feet. Very easy. Similarly, the second one is center diameter. So if we select it, specify the center, then we give the diameter. So diameter can be 4 feet, right? For the 2 point, we have to give the first point and the second point. Similarly, for the 3 point, we specify the first, second, and the third point, right? For the tangent radius, we can use this circle, and then specify the radius. So it takes both of these are tangent, and the third point is basically the radius, and the last one is tan radius. So first tangent, tangent, tangent. Very easy. So the circle command is that's it. In AutoCAD, we mostly use center radius or center diameter. Sometimes we may use our tangent radius, but most of the time we will be using the center radius and center diameter. Uh, nothing, nothing complicated. Mm, Circle command. If you still have any doubts in the circle command, feel free to comment down below. Right? See you guys in the next video.